Welcome dear children. Last class I have finished both the chapter, that is the parakeet who quacked in English 1 to grammar. I have finished all the grammar in both that lessons. You have to learn only the grammar of the two chapters. Understood? ആ ലാസ്റ്റത്തെ രണ്ട് ചാപ്റ്ററിൻ്റെ ഗ്രാമറാണ് നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാനുള്ളത്. ഡോണ്ട് ലേൺ ദി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ്. അത് ലെസനൊന്നും നോക്കണ്ട, ജസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രാമർ പോർഷൻ പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി. ദെൻ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ദർ ഈസ് വൺ ലാംഗ്വേജ് വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് 3 grammar. After that poem there is language workshop 3 grammar. So all take that. Page number 138. Page number 138. See, only that listening and speaking you did not write. Understood? അത് നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഉള്ളപ്പം ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്. Then only that grammar we'll do. That is conjunctions, adverbs and prepositions. A. There is an error in each sentence. Underline the error and write the correct word. There is an error means there is a mistake in each sentence. You have to underline that mistake and write the correct word. ആ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിന് പകരം ഏത് വേർഡ് എഴുതണ്ടേ that you have to write there. Look closely at a walnut, but you will notice that it looks like the human brain. Look closely at a walnut, but you will notice that it looks like the human brain. See, so the mistake there is but. Look closely at a walnut. Instead of but, what you have to write? And you will notice that it looks like the human brain. Understood? Once more I will say, look closely at a walnut and you will notice that it looks like the human brain. But in a param and you have to write. ആ സെൻറ്റൻസ് വേറെ തന്നെ എഴുതിയിട്ട് instead of but you have to write and. Once on passing over a horse chestnut tree, a couple of chestnuts bounced off my head. Once on passing over a horse chestnut tree, a couple of chestnuts bounced off my head. Over is wrong there. Underline over. Instead of that you have to write once on passing under. Once on passing under a horse chestnut tree, a couple of chestnuts bounced off my head. Third question. Quite frank, I would just as soon worship the Diyoda as worship anything else. Quite frank, I would just as soon worship the Diyoda as worship anything else. So, frank is wrong there. You have to write quite frankly. Quite frankly, I would just as soon worship the Diyoda as worship anything else. Next, fourth question. When it may hum and sigh in a strong wind, the tree does not bend. When it may hum and sigh in a strong wind, the tree does not bend. So, when is wrong there. Instead of that you have to write while it may hum and sigh in a strong wind, the tree does not bend. While it may hum and sigh in a strong wind, the tree does not bend. Fifth question. The timber of these trees is always highly prized with house building. The timber of these trees is always highly prized with house building. So underline with. With is wrong there. Instead of that, the timber of these trees is always highly prized for house building. For house building. Understood? So first answer, but is wrong there. Underline but and write and. Second one, over is wrong. Under. Frank is wrong. Frankly. Then when is wrong, while. Fifth one, with is wrong, for. Next, B. There is an extra word in each sentence. Identify it and cross it out. One extra word is there in each sentence. We have to cross the word. Understood? First one. As kitchens went, it was in very big like. As kitchens went, it was in very big. Like is wrong there. So, cross like. Understood? As kitchens went, it was in very big. Like cross here. It wasn't as big as the bedroom of the living room, but since it was big enough. It wasn't as big as the bedroom or the living room, but since cross here. It was big enough. Cross since. What made it fabulous was all that came out of from it. Kebabs, curries and chocolate fudge. What made it fabulous was all that came out of it. From cross. Cross out from. Granny was the best cook alive of in the world. Granny was the best cook alive of in the world. Means of cross. Cross out of. I was the most very eager food taster in the world. I was the most eager food taster in the world. Very cross. So you have to cross out the wrong word. Understood? An extra word. So first one is like. Cross out like. Second one since. Third from. Fourth of. Fifth very. These all you have to do it in your textbook itself. Next. Fill in the blanks with one word each. Understood? Fill in the blanks with one word each. The town we lived in was in the hills dash Dehradun. Of. Understood? Of Dehradun. It's still there, much bigger and busier since independence. It's still there, much bigger and busier since independence. That is but. Next. Granny had a house, a large rambling bungalow in the outskirts of the town. In the grounds were many fruit trees growing close together. In the grounds were many fruit trees growing close together. There was a jackfruit tree casting its shadow on the wall of the house. There was a jackfruit tree casting its shadow on the walls of the house. So first of, but, in, of, close, on. Now rewrite these sentences in the correct order in your notebook. That is, the sentences are given in a jumbled order. You have to rewrite it in the correct order. So when you read this, you can understand. First, what comes there? Every winter when I came home from boarding school. That's the first one. I would spend at least a month with Granny. That's the first sentence. Then what comes? The rest of my holidays I would spend with my parents in Assam, where my father was the manager of a tea estate. The tea gardens were great fun, but my parents couldn't cook. They employed a kansama, a professional cook who made good mutton curry, but little else. So I was always happy to go to Granny's place for the holidays. So this paragraph you have to write it correctly in your notebook. Understood? Then listening and speaking you need not write. Then children, that is one more thing is there. That is page number 125. One exercise is there, that is draw a picture of a friend or paste her or his photograph in the box. Write a description of your friend. Focus on the positive qualities. So you can do it alone. Then I will send this in your group. You write it alone. Some phrases are given there. That is, bright smile, round face, long black hair, a broad forehead, a sharp nose, wears spectacles, like that. So you can use these words and write a short paragraph about your best friend. Understood? So you write it alone. That is an activity. Then I will send you this in your group. Understood? Then one more letter writing is there, that also I will be giving you in groups. So for this exam you will have the chapter, that is For the Love of Nature. Then one poem, Tiger Shadows. Then the grammar of these two chapters, that is the Parakeetus quacked in English 1 and 2. So grammar portion of these two chapters will be there for you. Along with that poem and that lesson also. One chapter, that is the first, For the Love of Nature. So learn all the answers and grammar of these chapters. Poem also you have to learn all the answers. Understood? And the grammar of that poem. So study well and prepare well for your exam. Understood, children? Then I will be giving you activities in groups. Okay? Bye.